Hi, in today's video we are making this adorable Charmander inspired plushie using a super soft chenille yarn. This project is both beginner friendly and kinda quick to make. It's not super quick, but it takes a few hours and you can have it done in one evening if you are a somewhat fast crocheter. I'll walk you through each part step by step. And as you can see, this is the materials you will need. You will need some chenille yarn in orange and small amounts of beige, black, white, and yellow, and a 5 millimeter crochet hook. You can also see the pattern information here. So take your time and read through it. Pause if you have to, but it's good to know. Let's begin. We will start by making the arms. Each arm will begin with a magic ring and 5 single crochets. Pull your ring tight. Make sure you pull it tight, but not so tight that you snap your yarn. And let's continue with round two, which is an increase in each stitch. So you will make 2 single crochets in each stitch. We will then move on to round three through six, which will be 1 single crochet in each stitch for all the rounds. And now we will fold the top flat and crochet in both sides like this. And we will make 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, and then 1 decrease again through both layers. You will then fasten off and weave in your ends. Make sure that all stitches are workable at the top. It's very important because we will be working through these when we attach them to the body later. Once your ends are secure, you will make the other arm. So you have two arms. I always pull out my ends a little bit more and then cut them off so I can just pull them inside what I have made. There you go, one arm. And hopefully now you have done two. And now we will begin working on the legs. Just like with the arms, we will begin by making a magic ring and then single crocheting 6 into the ring this time. Pull the ring tight here as well. And for round 2, we will increase in each stitch around. So 2 single crochets in each stitch. For round 3 and 4, you will make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Once you have completed all rounds, you will, for the first leg, you will cut your yarn and fasten off. When you fasten off this part for the first leg, it's very important that you leave all your stitches workable, because we will be crocheting into each and every one of the 12 stitches. And for the second leg, you will not cut your yarn and fasten off, because we will continue on to making the body. And you can check for in my channel for part 2, which will be the body and how to attach the legs. And you will also see part 3 there. Once you have your first leg done and fasten off with all stitches workable, you will continue to do the second leg, and you will repeat rounds 1 to 4. But remember, do not cut your yarn when you have finished round 1 to 4 for the second leg. So now you have 2 legs. So watch part number 2 for the body and head. You can find that in my channel, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe, or whatever. Have a great day. See you in part 2. Bye.